Did you know a teenage boy once killed a 9-foot giant with just a rock? For 40 days, the giant warrior Goliath stood in bronze armor, screaming threats at Israel's army. Grown soldiers trembled in fear. No one dared fight him. Then young David arrived to bring food to his brothers. When he heard Goliath mocking God, David volunteered to fight. Everyone gasped. King Saul tried putting armor on the boy, but it was too big and heavy. David refused it. He grabbed his sling and 5 smooth stones from a stream. The giant laughed and cursed as David ran straight toward him. David spun his sling once and released. The stone flew like lightning, striking Goliath's forehead with impossible force. It cracked through his skull. The mighty giant crashed face first to the ground, dead. In complete silence, both armies watched as David took Goliath's massive sword and cut off his head. One stone, one God, one impossible victory.